Hello, Thea.
Hi.
Where have you brought this toy from?
Smyths.
Smyths, and who brought it for you?
Papa.
And what toy is it?
Rainbow egg.
Rainbow egg. Wow. Rainbow corns.
With mysteries in it.
With mysteries in it.
Look on the top.
Wow, what is that on the top?
Mystery.
What's that? What's that thing there?
A unicorn horn.
Wow. Okay, so should we open it?
Yay!
Can you unwrap it or shall I help you?
I can do it. Oh.
Need help?
Yeah.
What is that?
And the pots.
You show the camera while you're doing it.
I need
What colour is it now?
purple and green.
Wow, let's have a look. Oh. What's like a tree?
Yeah.
Are you making it pink again now?
No. We need to leave it like this.
Oh, okay.
Now let's get
It
it.
looks like a panda.
And now we put this in him. I need help.
Oh, look at that. Can you make it pink now? How cool is that?
Good. Make it purple now.
Wow, so you got Flash, I think his name is. No, you got Paco.
Packet.
Paco. Paco the panda bear. And that must be a bamboo shoot that he loves.
And can you open these two?
Yep.
And he's got a little leg. What's it going to be? It's a little baby.
What else you got in there?
This, but I need help opening it. And I got stickers. And I got a mystery toy. And let's see who I got. There he is, right there,
Oh yeah.
on the sticker. Let's open this. Let's see who I got. I got this.
Wow.
And now let's see in here. I think he mix it up.
Is it like Play-Doh?
I think he mix it up.
Let's have a look. Oh, it's Rainbowcorn poop.
Who is it for?
I guess it's for the unicorns. Here we go. So you can, it's that Play-Doh, I think.
Stretch it.
Wow, look how stretchy it gets. So are you gonna take? Are you gonna? Where are you gonna put this now? Are you gonna put it in your playroom, or are you gonna take it to your bed?
Take it to my bed.
You should have a look at the stickers.
Boing boing.
Wow, there's Paco and the rest of the gang. Where are you gonna put the stickers?
On him.
On him.
Gonna put himself here. This on his ear.
Okay.
The line on his other ear. This on his hand.
Wow.
Just on his foot. This one on his eye.
On his eye? And the last one? He's got some space on his wings. Wow.
Ta-da.
You love Paco?
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next